Hello, music theory students. Today I'm going to teach you about an important tool that will help you in your music exploration and learning. So we're going to go to musictheory.net. If you can see this, it's at the top, musictheory.net. So you go ahead and type that in, and then you don't click on either of these because I want you to download stuff. You just click on lessons. And here can help. There's tons of different categories that can help you learn about music. So, for example, like the basics, it has different staffs and clefs, and talks about note duration, measures, goes on to rhythm and meter. Here it gets a little more complex. Starts to talk about scales. This can help you with learning your major scales and your minor scales. As well as scale degrees, key signatures. What we're going to talk about today is chords, because this is something that we're going to be talking about a lot in this class. Chords are music that is built on with three notes, and that are stacked on each other. So if you just click that category, it's loading still. We're going to just see how this website helps to explain it. This website is great because it goes step by step and will help you understand any concept that you click on. So here you'll see that there's this little, sorry, my controller's going weird. Okay, so right here you see that this is highlighted. So this kind of has a dialogue that goes along with whatever's going on here in the images. So as you read the dialogue, then you can go down to here. There's a little arrow, and you can, once you read it, you can go ahead and click the next arrow, and it moves on to the next part that is blocked. So this is talking about chords. It's talking about how it's three notes, right? Each of them has a root, and see here, now you can see that it'll show you the root, which is this bottom note. There's a third, and then the fifth is showing that it's this interval between the root and the note up here, which is the fifth. As we go on, it's going to show you how to make a major triad. So you can see that this little highlighted area is moving down. So now we're making a C major triad. Starts on C. And then you build it up with the third on top of that, the third and the fifth. It's going to kind of show you as well on the little piano keyboard how you do that. So as you go up to find a third, you have to go up 4 half steps. And the next one, you have to go up another, up to the 7 half steps from the root, and that's how you find the fifth. So then we have C, E, and G. There you go. And you can also listen to it. See, there's a little sound box thing, and then you can listen to it. Then going on, it also takes you to another chord. This one starts on E flat, and as you keep clicking the arrow, it will build that triad for you and show you how that goes. Then it also does it again on the B major triad. So it shows a few examples. Every time that you're learning a new concept, it'll show you several examples. Next, it'll show you about the minor triad, which we'll also be talking about in class. This one, the only difference between a major and a minor triad is that the third is lowered by half step. So this will show you that it only goes up 3 half steps rather than 4, like the major key. So yeah, you can kind of keep going through this. It'll show you more examples. It goes again to E flat and again to B. And then if we go all the way, you can actually move this to the end, this little circle. And it kind of summarizes everything that it taught. Major, minor, it'll show augmented as well as diminished chords. And so you can kind of study that and understand it better for yourself. So there you go. You can keep going back to this main page, musictheory.net, and look up anything that we're learning in class. This will help solidify your understanding. Thanks for listening.